So today we're looking at the latest Fab Fit Fun box. And Fab Fit Fun box is a quarterly subscription service that sends you all things on trend, whether it's makeup or fashion or books or all kinds of stuff. Their biggest competitor is Pop Sugar Must Have, which is monthly, and I had to cut back, but this one is one I still have been keeping, and it's $50, $49, depending on what if you can get it on a deal. They have a lot of good Black Friday deals for Fab Fit Fun, so check that out in November. But anyway, this is one of the best boxes if you just want like a little bit of everything. And let's see what we've got this time. There we go. They have their little magazine. Okay. So here we go. We have from Orlando, this is a Atmos Shield Hair Protectant. Multiphasic Shielding Complex. Orlando Pita Play Atmos Shield Hair Protectant Spray for damp or dry hair. So that's good. If I'm gonna use a straightener or something like that, that could be good. We have from Vaseline, this is Brighten Up Enzymatic Face Rejuvenator Exfoliating Cleanser. Getting a lot of exfoliating cleansers in these boxes. So there you go. There it is. Okay, here one, we have a dish for like change and stuff. I don't have a ton of need for this, but it's all right. It's cute enough. And then we have from Tarte, this is Pro Glow Highlight Color Palette. Ooh. So this is like highlighter. And you could use it for, it looks like bronzers and you could use it for eyeshadow, different shades of brown. So that's really cool. That will definitely work well with me. So I have brown eyes and brown hair, and there you go. Okay, then we have this bag. So this is pretty nice, this bag. It's nice and deep. I definitely be able to use that traveling. I think it's kind of cute. I don't know who made it. It's from Yumi Kim Makeup Train Case. The train case is large enough to store your favorite beauty products and features 2 separate compartments with a zipper closures so you can keep things organized. And there's a plain one. I'm so glad I got the flower one. It's really cute. Okay. Then we have this that is in this case. Let's see here. Ooh, this is a facial cleansing brush that works with your phone. For Rio. Get smart about your skin. Know it, perfect it, love it. It measures skin moisture, reveals skin age. Customized cleansing routine app records progress. So that is really interesting. I've never heard of this, and I will give it a shot and put it on my Insta story. So make sure you're following me on there on Instagram, and I'll talk about it because that's really different. Okay, then we have, there's a straw in here, which is random. It says, this straw saves marine life. Visit giveasip.us. That's random. Okay. And then we have, oh, I'm so excited about this. We have Kula Sport SPF 50 Classic Sunscreen. Yes, none of the other summer boxes had sunscreen. It's so bizarre. This is awesome. This is a great brand. I will use the heck out of this. This is very exciting. So there you go. That's the most exciting part of the box. But this one's a pretty good box, I think. And so yeah, some really eclectic, weird stuff that I would never buy on my own that I'm kind of excited to try out, and some really good stuff that I would buy. So I really like this. And so let me know what you think of these items. And thanks so much, and we'll talk to you all later. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye!